Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove the DPF from an Audi A4 B8. Begin by gathering tools, safety gear, and a jack, then disconnect the battery and secure the car on jack stands. Work methodically, unbolting heat shields and exhaust clamps while labeling sensors and connectors. Keep fasteners organized and take photos to help reassembly. If you encounter seized bolts, apply penetrating oil and allow time to let it soak. Start with the car raised and well supported, then remove the plastic under tray to expose the exhaust. Unplug all sensors and mark connectors to avoid confusion later, then remove heat shields and loosen clamps working from front to rear. Support the exhaust with a transmission jack or helper, unbolt the flange, and lower the DPF gently to avoid damaging nearby wiring or mounts. Keep all bolts and gaskets organized for reinstallation. Expect stubborn bolts and fragile sensor wiring when removing the DPF, so take your time and use penetrating oil or controlled heat methods for stuck fasteners. Inspect oxygen and pressure sensors for damage and replace any brittle clips or wiring. When reassembling, always fit new gaskets and torque bolts to spec to prevent exhaust leaks and fault codes. Test drive and monitor for error lights after installation to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.